In this video, I'll show you how you can remove buzzing and static noise from your microphone. Now the first step is you want to come here and search for troubleshoot, settings, additional troubleshooters. Then in here you want to find playing audio and run the troubleshooter, and also run the audio for recording audio. So run the troubleshooter for both of those and see if this fixes the issue. Now if this doesn't work, find your microphone or your icon down here, right click and go to sounds. Then in here go to recording, find your microphone, properties. In here go to levels, and then you try and play around with this one. So you can go to listen and press listen to this device. Then go levels and try and turn it up and down while you listen to yourself talking. Now in advanced, you should choose the highest one. And also if you have something called enhancements, you want to make sure that you turn those off, because usually if there's something called a booster or something that has a dB that you could turn up and down, that can cause the issue. Now once you've done this, it should hopefully work. Otherwise, what I suggest you do is you download the software to your microphone. So just Google your microphone and type in software and see if there's a software for it. Otherwise, come here and search for device manager. Once you're in here, what you want to do is find your audio, microphone, update driver, and make sure you update it. After this, try and restart your PC, and also check on your microphone if there is a volume button, and make sure you don't put it on 100, and then you can try and turn it down a little bit and see if that fixes it. Now, I really hope you enjoyed this short video. If you did, please leave a like and subscribe, as it helps me out a ton. Thank you so much for watching.